everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Juheezz and today I'm sharing with you all a quick makeup look. So before doing makeup, I'm doing some skincare because it is very important. I have used some toner, moisturizer and also a lip balm. Starting off with the actual makeup, first of all I'm using this Pearl Illuminator from Swiss Beauty, and this is my all-time favorite product because this gives such a natural glow to my skin. Now I'm using this lipstick from Blue Heaven as a cream blush because it gives a very natural flush to my cheeks, and I'm blending it with the help of a brush. For base, I will be skipping foundation and I'm only using concealers. So I'm using these two concealers from Wet n Wild and Swiss Beauty, and these are the concealers which I use all the time. I just mix both of the shades and it creates such a perfect shade for me. Now for setting my concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder and I'm using a brush to apply it. Now I'm using this Mars face palette for my bronzer and for my blush as well. For eyeshadow, I'm using this Mars 15 color eyeshadow palette and I'm just applying one single shade all over my lids. For kajal, I'm using this one from LA18 and I'm sorry if I'm scaring you in the clips. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara and this one is very good for everyday use. For lipstick, I'll be mixing two different shades as usual. So the first one is the same Blue Heaven lipstick which I used for my blush. The shade is Brick Beauty and it is a very nice pink color. For the other lipstick, I'm using the Insight Non-Transfer Lip Color in the shade Joyful and it is a brown shade. And that's it for the look. If you don't have much time to do your makeup or you don't like to wear heavy makeup, then this will be the perfect look for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.